How to reset or start a fresh budget in YNAB. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on Reset Budget or Make a Fresh Start, depending on your YNAB version. Tap on it. Before proceeding, carefully read the warning message. Resetting or starting fresh will remove all existing transactions, categories, and targets, so make sure you have backed up any important information. Tap Continue to proceed. Then enter the new plan name and hit Make a Fresh Start button. YNAB will create a new budget with default categories and you can start assigning your money again from scratch. After resetting, set up your new categories, income, and goals just like you would when creating a brand new budget. This helps you start clean, eliminate old errors, and plan your finances more effectively. Now you know how to reset or start a fresh budget in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.